Well, hi all, welcome to Fly Fishing with Krazza. Today I slept in actually, and I got here pretty late. I'm fishing the Stevenson River today, and I did fish a little bit of the, what do you call it, Little Stevenson as well. So I think you get the gist of the area that I'm in. So I'm just doing the intro. I'm having lunch, and of course I'm having my smoked trout. But yeah, it's been pretty good so far. I think I've landed about 4 fish. So yeah, look, if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. That'd be great. It really helps my channel. Even your comments and the likes have all helped the channel, so it is growing. So it'd be great if you just keep doing that. So yeah, like I'm just euronymphing today. So yeah, just tackling these small creeks. The Stevenson and Little Stevenson. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Cheers. Well, stuck in morning traffic. I slept in a bit, and this is what I faced. Traffic everywhere. Melbourne's a big growing city, and everyone's off to work, and unfortunately I have to go fishing. Anyway, that's the start. That's what happens when you sleep in a bit. Just some beautiful bush here, going through, I think they call it the spur, but yeah, look at that, those gum trees are so straight and tall. Really nice drive. Roads are a bit windy, but you know, it's just a lovely drive. It's a lovely part of Victoria in Australia. So yeah, keep going. One of my first fish in this little stream. Not sure what it is yet, but here it comes. Not a bad sized fish for this little stream. It's like a brown. That's a brown trout. Got him. Happy days. There we go. Just on the brunette that I tie, and it's a nice healthy brown trout. Look at that. Gotta be happy with that. I'll just let him go. He was just sitting in. He was just sitting in underneath those branches there. So yeah. I'll let him go. See a fish. It's a really nice pool here. We'll see how we go. I just spooked two fish behind the other side of that log. So I'll see how we go in this spot. That's it. Come a bit closer. It's just such a good run. Whoa, that was a deep step. Anyway, I'm at the level I wanted to be. Okay, let's try now. Probably scared them all, but I'll still try. Alright, just into this little pool here. Got onto one. Oh, oh, come here. Oh. It's a rainbow. Oh. Awkward spot here. I'm on a log. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh no. Come on, come on. Got him. Oh, that was a bit awkward. That was really awkward. Yeah, got my hand. Oh, got the hooks out. There he is. It's a nice little rainbow out of this little stream. Happy with that. How good's that? Oh, I'll let him go. See you, fella. He's off. He's happy. I'm just gonna try and get over here. Just gotta crawl on this tree. Spewing that branch is down there. Would have gave me a good run, but you never know. I'll just try in front. Whoops. Just try there. Let's see. No. A bit under that branch. That's it. Try there. Oh, it just looks like a redfin. I think I'll catch one of them here. Yeah, it's definitely a redfin. There we go. In the net. I did see a huge carp cruising around here. Oh yeah, there's a bit of variety. I haven't caught a redfin in a river for a while. Nice little reddy. There we go, there's a cocky. An Australian native bird. Off he goes. And there's his pair. Oh, and there's another one. Alright, got this little rainbow here. I saw him, he was active, and I didn't know whether I was going to have a chance to get him, but got him. Got him. And look at that, it's just in a little bit of water like this. Amazing. Yeah. Just wet my hand. Nice little cute rainbow. Yeah, I'll just let him go again. Come on, buddy. There we go. He's happy. Alright, just got here. And on one straight away. Pulled up. Spoke to a guy in the car park and he said it's pretty good here. And he's not wrong. Bang! Come on, fish. Got him. Just a little tiny brown trout by the looks of it. Look at that. Oh no, it's a rainbow. Gee, it's a little fat little fish, isn't it? So cute. Alright, see you, buddy. Off it goes. Gee, that was straight off the mark as soon as I got here. First cast. I had a take here. He's come off. So I'm hoping there'll be another one here. Gotta be careful here because I can't really see. There. Just put one in. Oh, he's come off. Damn. Just walking back to the car and I saw this tree here. Check out the size of this tree. It is a huge tree. Who knows? That'd have to be over 100 years old. Wow. Just amazing. On a trout here. Hopefully this one stays on. Oh. Lost a couple of them. Oh. There he comes. Nice one. Like a rainbow. Now, got him. Alright, happy with that. It's been a while. Oh, that's a decent size for this little stream. Nice little rainbow. And I'll let him go. There he is. In the water. He's off, he's happy. Well, hi all, that's it for today. Yeah, I ended up catching quite a few fish there in the Stevenson. I went to a few different spots. I don't fish the river very often. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you're new, subscribe. It'd be great to have you on board. And thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye. Well, I'm driving home here. And this is called the Black Spur. It's a, I don't know, you can call it almost like a tropical looking forest in Victoria. You've got all these ferns and these really straight gum trees. Just look how straight they are. I'm going to find out what type of gum trees these are. Look at that. That is amazing. What a beautiful place. It is beautiful. Yeah, I know the motorbikes like going down here. I mean, I ride a motorbike, but I haven't been here, I don't think. The guys in our club do a few rides out this way, but it's a bit far for me. It's a good 2 hours from my home, so anyway, I'm in the car. This is the Black Spur. Hope you're enjoying the footage through here.